Hey, welcome to Jordan Essentials. I'm Bobby Trisco, and I am so excited to have you on Team Blessed. You just got your kit, or it's on its way. Yay! So exciting. We're going to take a little deep dive into all the goodies because I know that it can be overwhelming with all the funness that is in that box. Okay, so we're going to start with get a catalog. This is one of the best marketing tools that you have. And one of my favorite couple pages, this has all the steps. Use this tool for your benefit. You don't have to know all the things, but this has a ton of resources in it for you to share and talk about with your friends and family. And this page is a gold mine because these are some of our #1 selling products, and they're all linked together on a page plus together, which I love. Okay, so also in your box, you received this great education booklet on how to get started. And one thing that I want you to take a peek at is page 8. This is your start swell or your jump start guide. This is all the free products that you can earn in your first 30 and 90 days, which is huge and awesome. And then there's also, just gotta find, right on page 3, 5521. This is a great way to get started and to focus on your 5 favorite products. I'm gonna quickly go through all the products that come in the kit. However, it's important for you to just pick your top 5, okay? Also in your kit, you received little samples, which are such a great benefit. So you don't have to have all the things, but your friends and family can still smell and test out the options. So this package has all of our different stick and spray solutions, and they're for targeted instances. So for example, sleep, uplift, peace, energy, so many great ones. And I love that with the essential oils, it's already figured out for me. All I have to do is rub it or spray it. I don't have to think about what I need to create that solution. It's already done for me. And then you also have the lotion bar and lotion samples. This is a great way to smell all the different scents that we have. Next up is a collection of products that go so well together and help you create that hand spa, whether you're doing in-home parties or you just want your hands to feel awesome at home. This is a great set. So it's going to come with the salt scrub, which is super easy just to put a tiny little bit on your hands, along with the soap, foaming hand soap. Rub that together really good on your hands, and then finish it up with the lotion bar. This is the #1 product that Nancy Bogart started with. This is what she started creating, and it is a little tacky at first. The more you love on the bar, the softer it gets, and it can be used for so many different things, including just dry hands, dry feet, heels. It also works as a great hair gel. Like, so many awesome benefits of this little lotion bar. So you rub that in after you've done the soap and the salt scrub, and then you follow up with some awesome shea butter lotion as well. Okay, so I love that all that comes in your kit. Like, you have everything that you need to get started and do a hand spa at a party. It's also going to come with a couple other fantastic products, which are on that first page, and it's our magnesium lotions. And we have options. So the peppermint is so good for digestion and circulation and acid reflux, and the peppermint does magic. Okay, so you get the bigger bottle of the peppermint. It's one of our most popular selling ones. You also get a 2-ounce unscented. So not everybody likes peppermint, so you have the unscented option. You also get 2 ounces of the Copa Calm. Now this has the copaiba in it, so it is awesome for stress, anxiety, just tension relief, great for restless legs with these. Lots of different options. love that you get all this to get started, and you can let people try it. You can do little samples if you want, but this is a great sample size in itself. So if somebody's like, I would love to get a sample, instead of giving them like one-time use, tell them to get the 2-ounce bottle. So it's going to give them more chance to truly use it and see how it works for them. The beefed up magnesium is the Helio, and this is one of my favorites because it has helped so many people. And you get it in the 2-ounce bottle, which is a little bit bigger than this, but you can get it in this size, or you can also get it in a really great bundle, which I'm going to talk about in a second. The Helio cream is perfect for anybody that has arthritis, sore joints, sore muscles. It's a game changer. And because anything that we put on our body goes into our bloodstream within 26 seconds, they feel immediate relief. Just a blessing all the way around. Another killer product is Skin Relief. And this has just special powers in it. It has a cross on the front, like a first aid cross. So it's your clue to know that anytime you have skin burns, sunburns, wind burns, dry skin, game changer. This is your go-to. Eczema, psoriasis, and you get this great little bottle. And I will tell you, we've had this. This is the one that came in my enrollment kit. My kids have used it a number of times, and a little bit goes a long way. So it lasts a long time. The other thing that I love is because it's 2-ounce, it's perfect to travel with. So if you're going on vacation and you get sunburned, you can pack your Skin Relief and not have to worry. You also get the Renew Stick. So this is like one of our top selling sticks because it works magic. Anywhere that you have tension headaches, sore muscles, sore joints, just rub that on there, and within minutes, you typically feel the relief. And it is what has sold so many people on Jordan Essentials because they can feel the difference instantly. Magnesium is a powerful ingredient that I had no idea was needed in our bodies. And I am so excited that you are here. Take a peek through this booklet, see where you want to go, see what Jumpstart products you want to earn for free, including a kit rebate. I know I wanted to get all of them because I'm a carrot chaser and I want to get all the extra things so I don't have to pay for them as well. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of an overview of what's all in your kit, and I can't wait to hear from you what your top 5 products are.